Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can update to PowerShell 7.0 on Windows 10. So you can just go to the GitHub page for PowerShell and download the installer from there, and run the installer like you would any other installer on Windows 10. You can also update to PowerShell from inside a PowerShell window. To do that, go ahead and open PowerShell with admin rights and run this command that you see on your screen. You don't need to change anything in this command. The command is going to download the installer from the PowerShell GitHub page. And once it's downloaded, you're going to see this dialog box here. It's going to walk you through the installation process and ask if you want to add PowerShell 7.0 to the path environment variables. Click Next and allow the installation to complete. And once it's complete, you're going to see PowerShell 7.0 as a separate app in your apps list. And PowerShell 5.0 is still going to run parallel to it, so this is a PowerShell 5.0 window and this is a PowerShell 7.0 window. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.